Hello, in this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to get primary and general messages on Instagram. Okay, so first access to the Instagram. As you can see, there is no general or primary message here. So we have to do some steps to open it. First, tap to your profile, and then at the top right corner of the screen, you can see there is 3 lines. Tap it and then choose setting. Next, scroll down a little bit until you see the preferences. Please choose it, and then you're gonna choose switch to professional account. You can choose the category of this account, and then this is business or creator account. So here you can see when I tap to the message, we can see here it have many categories like primary, general, or request. That's it. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video is helpful.